Hello everyone. So you would like to reduce the size of the search bar here in Windows 11. That is pretty easy and you have a few options. First of all, you have to right click on an empty space in your taskbar or this bar below and go here in the settings where there is the settings icon. A window will pop out. I'm not showing the full window because in the left part it is showing my email and I'd like it to remain private. But what you need is here, the search option. Here you have a few options to choose. For example, you can show it completely. You can show only like this as a sort of button that will pop out the main search. But maybe you want only the icon, so you can go with only icon and it will have the same effect. As you can see, it is shorter, so you will have more space for all your other programs and other icons or widgets. Or another option is to hide it completely. These are many options that you have, and I hope that you found the one that you were looking for. So now it's everything for this video. I hope you liked it. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.